live it up like these are my last days. If time is money, I'm an hour past paid. Gunpowder in my hourglass, faker than some flour in a powder bag. Yeah,